What's going on, YouTube Nation? I just broke the 50 subscribers mark. I know it's not a lot, but I'm really excited to see what I can do with this channel and help you guys out. I started making videos really in April 27th, right when I graduated nursing school. I know it says September 6, 2018, but I really started kicking it up a notch with my videos. I already have 1,000 views. I'm really excited for that. But I'm really excited to see what I can do for you guys to help you grow as an individual, or help you guys pass the NCLEX as a nurse, or become a better nurse, or become a happier nurse. So that's why I made this channel. I'm also here for you guys that are in plateaus in your career, and I'm also here to help you overcome barriers. So again, subscribe to my channel, click the bell button so that you don't miss any videos, and thank you guys again for following my channel and being such loyal subscribers. Thanks.